So yes guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the VXR and the future plans for the VXR. We did mention it in our last video, the update video which we posted about a week ago. So yeah, in today's video I'm just going to be giving you guys an update on the VXR, future content, future plans with the car, whatnot. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into this video.
As you guys know, we've had the VXR for about 3.5 years. A lot of time and work has went into the VXR. As you guys know, we did buy the car stock. Right now it's running a wayside map on with 225 brake, and like I said, without throwing too much more money in it, there weren't really much else we could have done with it. So that's why we kind of just wanted to give you a bit of information that what we're going to do in the future with the car. Like I said, it has a lot of good work that's been done to it. As you guys know, if you watch all the videos, you guys know what we spoke about the journey of the car. But I feel like we've kind of come to the end of the car. There's not really much else that we can really do with it, unless, like I said, we go stage 3. Obviously with that you need a lot of money, a lot of time that goes into that as well. So yeah, I kind of think that we're kind of done with the VXR now. There's not really much else that we can do with it, so we're thinking to part ways with it. Just going to get into the car now, guys. I wanted you guys to give us some suggestions of what you think we should get after the VXR, what we're thinking of getting, and yeah, just give you guys a brief little information about where it's going to be up for sale. If you are interested in it, you guys can hit us up. And if you are genuinely interested in buying the car, yeah, we're open to offers as well. So yeah, we're just going to jump in now, guys, and take you for a little spin.
So yeah, we're just in the VXR now. I'm just going to talk to you guys what's happening with it. So we are parting ways with it now. So we are selling it. The car is actually up for sale. At the moment I'm putting it on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree at the moment. I am going to be putting it on eBay and Auto Trader. So yeah, sad story, man, because obviously ideally we did want to go stage 3 on this car, because obviously it's forged, it's had a lot of good work done to it. Obviously the engine work, everything. It's got the exhaust set up, it's got everything you need. Obviously stage 2 is running well, it pulls really strong for what it is. But yeah, we just have to part ways with it now, because obviously buying a bigger turbo, spending all that money, it costs a lot of money, a lot of time. So yeah, unfortunately it's just time to move on for us from the VXR.
Yeah, by the time this video does go up as well, I believe the car will be on Auto Trader as well. So all the links for the adverts will be there as well. And if you guys are generally interested in buying the car, like, you guys can come and view the car. And yeah, man, it'd probably be nice. Obviously, like I said, selling the car to one of you guys, because it needs to go to good hands. I feel like someone 100%. Needs to know what they're doing with the car, and like, it's got a lot of potential. Like, obviously there's so much more we can do with it, but I feel like the way it's being done up is ready, like, for someone if you want to go stage 3, it's like everything's near enough there. Or even if you can just keep it how it is as well, like, it's a lot of fun, it's quick as well. You don't necessarily have to buy it and take it stage 3, like, if you just take it how it is as well, like I said, like, everything's kind of been done.
I know.
And even if you don't want to keep it like this, you can just always take everything off as well. So it is a lot of fun. Like I said, we've had the car for 3 years now.
It is good fun, man.
Yeah,
it's a quick car as well.
Just gonna part ways with it now and get probably something a bit more sensible.
In regards to what I'm getting next, I'm not really too sure, to be honest, because I kind of want to get something a bit more mature, like nothing too boy racer, something that just looks good. So yeah, I don't know, like nowadays everyone's got a Vauxhall S3 140, like it's boring now, everyone's had one, everyone's done content on one, so I'm not really too sure on them cars, because obviously there's loads of content out there that's already been done. Like, that's another thing, yeah, because like the thing with S3s and Golf Rs and, you know, M140is is that, yeah, the cars are good, but like if you're gonna do content on them, there's already so many things already out there, and I feel like maybe we just think about getting a chilling car, year or 2, or even a couple of years, like I said. But there's still so much content we could get on that as well. And like I said, it's not always, we're not going to base the channel just all on our own cars now. Like, we're going to be getting, like I said, the detailing business we're starting soon, so we're going to make a series on that, how we're going to start a business, what we're going to do, what type of work that goes into it, what type of packages we include in our detailing business. So I know before it was just solely based on our own cars, but we're kind of moving away from that now. It's not, the channel isn't just based on our cars, it's kind of based on detailing now and a lot of car features. Still, we will be getting like high-powered performance cars on, for example, features that we're going to be doing. It's kind of moving away from the fact that it's just based on our cars. Kind of like we're trying to evolve the channel more. Obviously before it was just our cars only, and we were like limited to that, so now we want to obviously business, other cars, obviously featuring with other channels and other like businesses as well. So that's what we want to like aim for, to grow the channel further.
Because like I said, there's only so much videos you can get on your own like for the VXR, like there's only so much you can get. And
Exactly.
for example, even if we do get the car after this, like even then there'll only be so much you can get on it. So that's what I'm saying. Like I want to get more content out there, something more interesting that other YouTubers haven't done. So and like I said, like I don't want to get something typical like an S3R because
that's
it's predictable. Like everyone's got one, and it's just
that's the thing.
They're good cars, bro. Like
100%. They're really good cars. But
yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're good cars, but it's just like there's not really much.
From a content perspective, like they're not. I mean, everything's been done on them, like you said. Content's been rinsed on them already, so we're kind of looking something a bit different.
With the VXR as well, if you are genuinely interested and you guys want to come and see the car has stacks and stacks of paperwork. Obviously to vouch for everything we've done. And like I said, most of it's all documented on our YouTube anyways. You guys can scroll through and look at how good the car is. And like I said, if you are genuinely interested, you can come down and view the car. And like I said, it'd be nice to present it to a seller, to a viewer, because like I said, you can always keep that type of close friendship with them. But yeah, like I said, all links for the advert will be down below in the description.
I do have a lot of paperwork with the car, obviously when it was forged as well. Had a new clutch put in, everything. Just had the rear discs and pads done on it as well. Obviously I've had a few things taken off the car, put it back to standard-ish. But yeah, the body kit's still on there, but that can be removed if requested, but we'll see.
Like I said, I've already said this earlier, but the car is kind of already ready for someone who wants to take it to a bigger build. And like I even said, if you just want to keep it how it is as well, it's enough fun. I feel like if you are getting more into the car scene, this is one of the perfect cars you can get, because you know it's not too bad on insurance. Fuel costs are really like not that expensive.
Not too bad,
and yeah, it's overall like there's so much fun you can have with it, and it's quite a slept-on car. Like you would probably just look at it as like a Corsa, and then
they think it's like a 1.2, but
exactly
they don't know about VXRs.
And when you drop a boxer, it does generally pull hard. So it is a lot of fun for someone ideally that's probably looking at a second car. Maybe like I wouldn't really say first car, because you need to get used to it. Like,
I know. I think it's more of like a second car or like a
exactly.
project car or something. That
100%. I reckon it'd be a good project car for someone.
for the
100%.
right like a big build, and then I mean we can always get it back on the channel. Whoever like we sell it to, it can always come back on the channel. Obviously, if it's gone big build or whatever. So
a bit like Calvin Car Diaries, how he has like go far, like, you know how he brings the cars back. Even Jamie officially gas, like that's the kind of stuff they do. So it would be interesting to sell it to someone who we can probably that we know, and then obviously we can get the car back on as well. But
so yeah, we have got a video coming out in the next few weeks of car shopping. So obviously we're going to shop for a car now. So we're going to go around to some dealerships in our local area, see what cars they have, see if I like a car, test drive one. If I like it, you know, we can go ahead and go for it. But I'm not really too sure what to get, so that's what we're going to do. I think obviously to have a shop around different cars, keep the options all open, and yeah, go from there. It'll be an interesting video.
For you guys that know as well, the VXR, it's a 2011, and I believe that the condition it's in is pristine for its age. Like you got to think it's a 2011 car. So I feel like that will reflect in the price as well, because I feel like that obviously with the forge, all this stuff done to it, there's no way you can really pick one up for the price we're going to be giving it out at. I feel like for the work that's been done to it, you guys will be getting a very good price, because to be honest, you can't really get a VXR for that price that has that much work done to it. So like I said, for the right buyer, it's going to be a very, very good price.
Obviously these cars are quite rare now. Obviously if you are looking for a low mileage clean example with a forged engine, it is hard to find one. Obviously this is only done 66,000 miles, which is really low for a 14-year-old car. The bodywork as well is in good condition. But yeah, for the age of the car mileage, it is really good condition.
Yeah, talking about that as well, just the forge alone costs almost 2k anyway.
Yeah, around 2,000-3,000. So
plus it's hard to find a VXR that had a forge done
from a genuine, obviously reputable company.
Plus we've documented it as well. Plus we've documented as well, so there's a video, and we're not just like waffling on about saying there's no forge there or whatever. Turkish. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was just a quick little update, like I said, on the VXR, and the car is up for sale. All the links to the adverts are in the description below, so if you guys are genuinely interested, hit us up. It's a great car for someone who knows what they're doing at a very good price, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully in the next video we'll be going car shopping as well, showing you guys what's after the VXR. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe not to miss out on any further content. Make sure you guys drop our detailing page a follow as well, because on there we're going to be posting a lot more detailing content as well. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed, drop us a like and a subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one.